Hold up it. Look a girl. You really mean say you're not virgin and you go breed? When me did say to you? Me tell you say if you breed, me I go put you out. Me can't believe this, doctor. God no, me can't believe it.
Well, it is here. It is written. She's pregnant. I don't know.
Yeah,
How old is she again?
She have 15, soon 16.
Oh, okay.
So right now you're underage. How old is it?
What happened? You just see what going with your daughter? You just realize nothing strange about her, nothing off.
What do you mean?
She don't stop vomit. And weeky and asleep. You know, normally she don't sleep so long. You know, see how long she sleep, something wrong.
Where you really trying to say?
I don't want to wash my mouth for me like a girl, but I think there's something off. Even like me, I tell him I can't feel it. Me and mother too, you know. Me no really want to say you look like you're pregnant, but me look like she's pregnant. So you need, me don't know if you ever care of a doctor or something or buy one pregnancy test, but I must see a young kid in them, you know, and they have hormones.
Listen man, maybe a dengue she have.
Dengue, Steve?
Yeah, she have virgin. You know what she have virgin? She have virgin. And she just have 15 or 16.
In a 2024 virgin?
Of course, so we are my daughter a virgin. They look for your son. Your son look like my virgin to me, not to see my talk to
I don't put nothing past that boy. Nothing past him. Nothing past my boy picking them.
Alright. Tomorrow me go organize something and tomorrow me carry go doctor.
Yeah, make sure you get a check-up and see how I'm going. I feel like something off. You know, must be pregnancy, but I just say it seems like pregnancy symptoms.
Alright.
I'm not like well, look, the little girl nowadays.
Morning, doctor.
Yes, man. Good morning. How you doing?
I talk about my daughter. She really care come a doctor.
Okay. So what seems to be the problem here?
Well, if you tell the truth, doc, I don't really know, and I wonder if I dengue. Because from when she sleep, and I vomit, and my girlfriend said, boy, she think me she can't come a doctor and say I want to her.
Okay, so since when you see all of these problems occurring and stuff?
A couple of days now, and she don't go to school now, but I really this yesterday, me and my girlfriend had real serious talk, and she said, if I can't come a doctor. So I decided I can't come this morning.
Okay. How old is she?
She has 15, soon 16.
Oh, okay. 15, 16. Vomiting, you say? And stuff. And is she sleeping a lot and stuff?
Yeah, man, she sleep. Maybe she's tired, man, and she dehydrated, maybe that.
Oh, okay. Alright, well, you know, actually we're going to have to do some tests, as you know, and stuff, and see what really going on with her. We're going to do a few local question her and stuff, and see, you know, and think. I noticed when she come in, she just have her head down and stuff. Yeah, so what's your name again, sir?
Oh, Watson, man, Watson.
Oh, alright, Mr. Watson. So, you know, this boy, so she's sleeping a lot, vomiting and stuff and thing, and, you know, it could be dengue, but to be honest with you, what we have to do, I mean, at her age and stuff, I think we have to do a pregnancy test at first and stuff.
Pregnancy test, doctor?
Yes,
she
man.
a virgin, you know? She a virgin, she not have sex.
Well, actually, I mean, apart from the dengue, we can test that, but we still have to do a test because, you know, whatever you said to me right now, you know, it kind of sounds like a little, you understand what I mean? So,
No, so I don't think so, doctor.
Well, you can think, but we still have to do the test. That is the reason why I come here.
Alright, doc, alright, no problem.
We still have to do it. So, I forget that we can't just come off of what you say, you understand? Alright, so young lady, so how you feeling right now?
I'm not really hurt.
Your stomach hurting you and stuff, so you vomit a lot and stuff like. Alright. Dad, I'm gonna have to do some tests, but at first I'm also gonna ask you to just excuse.
Alright, doc, alright.
Yeah, man. So I'll call you in. All right. Okay. All right. So, Crystal, right? All right. First thing I have to ask you: are you sexually active?
Doctor, me a virgin.
You're a virgin. You sure about that? I'm gonna send you to a room down the end there. I'm gonna give you a cup, which you're gonna urinate in, and there's something that easy procedure which you follow. All right, and stuff. So I'm gonna send it down there now, and you'll see the cup down there. Just use one of them. You're gonna urinate, and you come back. All right. Mr. Watson, have a seat here again.
Yes, doc, where's I going, you know?
Why? I have some good news, and I have some bad news for you. The bad news. You look like Gabriel visit your daughter.
What do you mean by that, doc?
She's pregnant.
No, man, hold up head. Hold up head. Look, girl, you really mean say you're not virgin and you go breed? When me did say to you? Me tell you say, if you breed, me I go put you out. Me can't believe this, doctor. God no, me can't believe it.
Well, it is here. It is written. She's pregnant. I don't know.
Yeah,
How old is she again?
She 15, soon 16.
Oh, okay.
So right now you're underage. How old it? And me there so think say you're a virgin. Eh? What make you can't be more like a stepbrother? Eh? If my boy pick me, I'm sure him a virgin. Hmm? And you not reach the age of consent and you get pregnant. How old breed you? What you mean say you don't know? Eh? How much somebody so? Jesus Christ. Right now, me can't even make your mother know this, you know. Cause she gonna blame me. Say me cause this.
All right, Dad. Just calm down. All right. It don't happen already. All right. I've seen these cases almost daily. You just have to go be there for her. You have to go be a grandfather or maybe even a father. Cause it sounds like she not even know exactly how it happened or whatever. She just have to just come with there and tell her exactly what happened. But all hopes is not lost. You know, you have the woman center and stuff. She's going to school. I mean, she can go to school meanwhile even the pregnancy and stuff. So, all hopes are not lost. So you just have to be there for her and guide her and stuff. So, just calm down and stuff. In the end it will work out. It might sound look away and stuff, but it's just a daily cases for me to see this gift there. Not really nice, but you just have to just go deal with it. It's underage. And this is normally a police matter. No matter what it is, if somebody older now get her pregnant and she's underage, it's a problem. But I can't say, boy, from me coming here and how you're reacting, I can say that you're a very, very good father. So I'm not gonna, say nothing or do nothing or whatever. Whatever happens, I have to go deal with in case police come to me or anybody. But it's not something I'm gonna report. But in a normal case like that, I would have to, because she's underage. But she's close to the age of consent, so you don't have to go deal with that. You understand me?
Alright, doc, thanks. Thank you very much.
Alright.
Right now she disappointed me, doctor, I swear.
I see it in your face. I see that you're a good father, you're a good man. But you disappoint a man like that, man. You should,
Alright, so how much this will cost me, no, doctor?
Well, actually, the lady at the front there should do all the kind. Just come this and normally 8,000. Let's give 8,000 there.
Alright, and thank you very much. Alright, doctor, come on.
Alright, don't be harsh on her. Don't kill her, you hear me?
Go on in.
Well, go on.
You know say after me go doctor say I breed little girl I breed.
Breed. That little pitney will act so innocent and barely talk.
Right now me no know what me I go do, you know.
Ah,
Me no know what me I go do.
but this serious, mama saying underage, you know.
You know that hit man.
She know who get her pregnant.
Me ask her and she a tell me say she no know.
How you finna know, huh? What you not say to me? This not sound right. This serious, you know. Mama saying underage.
Right now me done did tell her, you know. Say if she ever go breed, me put her out and she say no daddy me a virgin, me not have no boyfriend and see what happen here now.
Mama say, the young too, you know. That's how you used to tell lie, but Jesus Christ, this serious. We need to figure something out. What you gonna do?
Me don't know, you know.
We need to
Me
find
don't
out
know.
who get her pregnant. She must know. What she finna know? How much person she has sleep with, so.
Me don't know. Me don't know. Cause me never expect this. I me never ready for this yet.
I never
Look
expect
how me
this
one
either.
struggle with her.
How much things you go through. And little girl are going good in her school, you know. No, sir.
Right now me can't tell him mother, you know. Me can't tell him mother.
Mm-mm. We have to figure something out before it reach to our ears.
Me don't know. Me go talk to my sister and try to see if me can figure out something. Cause right now this a just mash up my whole game, mash up my meds.
I can't believe say little girl pregnant. And one test they do her too. She
Me not even know, you know.
sure.
Doctor just do and come
Results
out.
can mix up, you know.
Me don't know. Me don't know. Me don't think I don't mix up because everything coincides. Sick when she are sick and then now me hear this.
Yeah,
What make she couldn't be more like a your son, eh?
I'm not all innocent either when he ready and get talking and send up my blood pressure and something. I can't believe say little girl pregnant though. This is like really serious.
Alright, you know, me I go in go lay down. You cook nothing?
Yeah, me dey cook some soup. She have a bright future ahead of her, so we need to figure something out.
Me think about it, you know, cause right now me head part not too right, you know, me I go lay down.
Get a five and fresh. Reboot and come again. I can't believe say little girl get pregnant.
Give me a phone, man. You trying to dash you right now. Sean,
Yeah,
forward him, I want to talk to you.
me a come.
Hurry up, man, cause sun hot.
Me a come, I can't wait. Me did the round, so I do something. Eh?
Come on, I want to talk to you. I could go in our house side of this. So, my sister. You don't know, say, me get to find out, say, Crystal pregnant. Me I notice her. Me I notice her and me realize that she pregnant. Me care I go do one little test and me realize she's pregnant.
Pregnant
Yes.
at the age of.
Me not even want to talk about it. But here why real reason why me come check her still and I really feel tell her alone so she pregnant and because I don't really want nobody know. The real reason why me come check you because to kind of save myself from the disgrace and save she from the disgrace. I want the belly for dash way. Yeah, so me can link you. If you ask to say if you could and carry her, go on one place. Me don't know where if you know no place.
Me, Steve. You hear say me I want Canada share people got.
No,
So me and your sister, and you come to me personally. Figure that share me one and it. Me understand it still.
listen, me I say no
Me
man.
understand the answer
Listen
still.
up.
True, you ain't father and he young, but
Listen up. I true you are my sister. I know me can trust you. That is the reason why I come to you. For your care, I go dash your belly. You must can find out a way. Maybe find the money. If you find somebody who know, maybe
so me have to
find.
go walk now and ask people where they do they something there. Alright, me do it. Me I go try. Me do it.
Alright, so yes, when you find out
Mm.
and find out and let me know how much. And then once you find out and let me know how much, we just give you money and you carry I go deal with it.
You sure say I wanna do this?
Listen man, if me never sure me wouldn't come to you. Me
Crystal,
can't
I will read you.
you're lucky I ask him.
And she not
I
give
see
you the
him
answer. She not tell if she
I see
answer.
him question me ask him and I'll know she can't tell me she has said she don't know.
What
Right, you know, if me
you
stand
mean? What you mean? What you mean? She said she don't know.
me don't know I ask her. Cause she said she don't know. So right now,
Crystal,
me want to know how much somebody. So she don't know who. Listen man, I true me have some parents would just kill him, you know.
no, no go that. No make it go that part. No go so far. No, no, no.
And the worst part about it, me can't even call him mother and tell her.
Why
Cause
you
if,
can't call her mother?
because me know how him mother stay, him mother go and say either I'm me cause because him did want she to live with she and true because me no want give her no money. That is why me keep her. And another real
Same
reason.
kind of mother there.
No, that's the real reason why me keep
Jesus.
her because me love her and me say yo me want my youth to grow with me. You understand me I say?
How you make this happen to you, Crystal? Crystal, you're not done school yet. Look how you're nice. You did fit think first. And even if you hide and go do the thing they all do it wrong, you know, if you do it none tall. Wait until the age of consent. Don't follow them at both no follow who say no law about no 16 and no age and no consent. Because when someone even reach 20, you know still not even mature yet. Parents still have to tell you this and tell you that.
Shan, right I know you know.
Jesus Christ.
Right I know you know. Right I know. Me tell her long time you know. Me done tell her say anyhow me find out say she pregnant. Me just put her out you know. And I lucky she lucky me never pack up her sitting and dash her out you know. I true when me think about it me I say yo me have this picnic from my baby. That's why me not do
Nobody
it.
even think about that about choke your one and pick me out a door. Me I go try and see if me get the person, you know, where know about them somebody there. Anybody at all. Anybody. Me just a go ask people who know places where do them kind of something there. Or somebody. Me will
Alright,
get
so
to
here what you
somebody.
do. Any how much it cost, just pay. I will me see you, me will give you back your money. Alright?
Alright.
Alright. But me a good uncle, right now, me stress out. All work me did for go and me no go and work, cause me can't even concentrate. So make sure stay up here, and if in case of nothing, me probably can drop off some clothes or something for her. Alright?
You know, say anybody, you know, say when it happen though, anytime me go and find that the place there, and then me have to go carry go do it, you know, say I go shame and disgrace any of that bus out door.
Bella, you just have to see your phone too. And not watch her now, but make she depend on her phone, cause she love phone too much. Her phone probably cause it make she breathe too. Alright.
Mm.
Sis, just deal with it, deal with it. And if in case of anything, call me and let me know what's what.
I'll do it, man.
Alright, so
Tell us
me
me I go do it, so me I go do it.
alright, so me circle.
Yeah.
Alright?
Mm-hmm. But when me do it and pay money, you know, me go want it back. Crystal. Crystal, you can talk to me, you know, me your auntie. You can talk to me about anything. Talk to me. Me know you not grow around your mother. And you didn't have her around you to talk about certain things that you really would have want to talk about. But no worry yourself. Me's a mother. And remember say me's your auntie. So me we understand. Me know what happened to you. It is wrong, but it already happened already. Don't be sad. It may if it happen, but it already happened. You will get over it. But listen to me now. As your auntie, may I tell you say it shouldn't make it happen to you. Has you not finished school yet. Your education come first. Why? Anyway, when you have baby, you can go on woman center. You understand? But your father say, if you go find out about some place if you make your throw it way. So me have to go do it. Me sorry, but me really don't want to do it, but me have to go do it. Crystal, I'm sorry for what happened to you. But please, may I beg you, just be honest. Tell me who get you pregnant.
Azien.
Eh? What you just say, Crystal? What you say?
Zane.
Zian. How name Zian? Zian? Did you say Zane? You say Zian? You know how name Zian. Oh, where you finding this money there from? Zian. Like he come from some Spain or somewhere. I want Jamaican?
A daddy stepson.
The blood of Jesus. God help me. Jesus. Your father. Your father's stepson. God Almighty. Crystal, how you make this happen to you? How this reach you? You should have known better, man. You're 15-year-old.
Auntie, a one time we do it.
One time, it doesn't matter how much time. As long as you go do them something they unprotective. Unprotected sex bring baby or disease if the person no clean. Unprotected. Oh God have mercy. This I want Jesus. Father God, I know me in the situation. If you go carry me one and niece go dash away. God, me just I go do it because I'm my brother's sake, but me not really want to do it. Crystal, you should make this happen to you. You're too young for that. You're too young, man. You see, you get pregnant now. It no means your life any no. But it is wrong because you're underage. Before you be a mother, you got to be a woman. You understand? Before, you hear what me say, Crystal?
Yes, auntie.
Before you be a mother, you got to be a woman. No, see it there. You be one mother before you be one woman. Almighty Christ. You spoil up yourself. You dey blighted your future. You gonna miss out too much sitting out of school. What your friend them at school are gonna say? This are gonna spread all over the place. Then kind of something here when we think say it in a secret, it come out in the light and you don't even know say the finger where they point for you. I know they know. You wonder where doctor say confidential or publish so to the world. You have to be careful, man. Me go carry you go one place. You hear?
Yes,
And
auntie.
get rid of it. But not make it happen to you again. You hear what me say?
Yes, auntie.
Alright. Remember, me they warn you. It's not me they carry you back go there so. Cause right now, a problem me in they do this, a force and do it, you know. Me I can't go inside, you know. You hungry? How you
Yes,
feel?
auntie.
You feel sick? You feel no symptoms, nothing at all? You feel like you want choke or whatever? Okay, alright. Come on. Come on, come on. Come. Ah, Jesus, what a problem me and know, Father God, we go find place where do the same thing here. Blessings! Blessings!
What was Shanique?
Come here, morning.
Morning.
I want to talk to you about something very, very important. You can
So
come
what
out here,
happened,
so
you know?
please. No, just come here. I don't want the neighbor them here, man.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but I need to talk to you. Nobody not in the video.
Put them in the house.
Oh, come I really want nobody here this, you know. God no.
So
Anyway, blessings.
Hmm?
I trust you why me I tell you this. Me no want nobody hear about it. Please, me I beg you.
You ever tell me anything I hear about
No,
it?
you're not going to talk about you know some people fast and sit and guess what?
If a people business
No,
not
I know
tell.
nobody business. I'm a brother business, I feel me business. And we and your friend, so you have to say I feel your business here. Way.
And you say me no do people business, you know.
No, listen, me no man chow. Just listen to me and say. Steve daughter, that I'm my niece, Crystal. She get pregnant. Yes.
What you say?
I remember say she's still in her school, she young. And then now, Steve they come to me with one big piece of pasa say me if you go find somewhere where me can carry the little girl go about the baby. And I'm my niece.
You mad? Girl, you can't do that.
But me agree with him to do it.
No. Shanique, as bad as it may be, kind done pregnant already. Don't do it. Me I want you and tell us enough to do it, you know. Cause me know one girl. The same thing did happen to her. Somebody boil up something for give her for drink first and it never work. And she hear about one doctor. And I don't know. She never go to a doctor. Some friend of hers know the doctor and go buy some pill. And you know what happened to her? She take a pill. And she bleed everlasting bleed.
Jesus.
And she a bleeding now.
So she dead?
If stop her friend dead.
Oh God.
But she suffer before she dead. When me tell her say suffer. Because you know what happened? If fetus start to rot from inside of her. And let me tell her this. She wouldn't tell her parents them nothing, you know. She not tell her parents nothing. She just start to pine where people start to say Obia then Obia her. And then it out in her opening say Obia. And the parents believe and have her carry all over the place, every Obia man where you can think of. You believe me? And when she end up in a hospital, the doctor then couldn't help her at all. Her pelvic bone poison.
Oh God.
Not do it. You hear me I tell you?
But blessings, you know, say me tell Steve say me no want do it. And he no stop down in me, they force me. They force in me, but me have to get rid of it because if me no do it, him a go carry her go do it. So me don't listen to what you
Look
say,
here.
me not do it.
I your niece. Listen to me. Now your niece.
I'm a niece of course. Remember say I same little girl where you know with for a long time. And she always over me yard. I'm a niece. And me tell Steve say me I go help him support the child. And in Grand Pitney, me can't believe I own a Grand Pitney, he want force me to carry Pitney go about it.
So you ask a little girl who get her pregnant?
You know, so me ask her, as you talk about that part there. Me ask her, you know? Me ask her.
She know who?
Yes. And one time she do it with one somebody alone, because she had it virgin.
Why
As then do it.
Jesus have mercy, God.
Steve, stepson. He woman Pitney
So-
do it to him own a daughter.
So Steve know?
No.
God have mercy.
Me
Girl,
go tell him, but me not tell him yet.
look here. And one thing me I tell you do you know. You see when time they say in the Bible, say they sacrifice their sons and daughters to devil, abortion a hit. Let me tell you this. It's easier for the baby born come here more than you for bury your niece. You know?
Me know.
You can take one look at 20,000, you know, and buy some baby things, you know. You know how much you bury dead? Teenage pregnant is not the end of the world. But that's why me say when you have teenage people, you know, for counsel them and give them counseling and good guidance. If they start to have sex early, me no care, put them on family planning. Because when breeding come a different story. And some of no parents on and put them on family planning and tell them about condom. But if I did want a son, and you hear say him coming out with hickey on neck, and him a 15-year-old, how you da deal with that then? And I day, I see my son come in with hickey on neck at the age of 15. I'm a rat. It send up my blood pressure. It's easier for you buy baby clothes than for prepare for funeral. It's more cheaper.
True.
And let me tell you this, a double murder, it's supposed, me not say she got dead, you know. Don't get me wrong. You understand?
Me know
But
say
if she
that
got
you
bad
mean.
lucky and got dead, a
Lord
double
Jesus.
murder upon you.
Oh God.
You can't hide from man, but
Me
you
not,
can't
me
hide
not,
from God.
remember me
Right.
tell you, you know me for years, me and your friend long time. Me tell you say me not do it, me not go bother do it. Me not do it, thank you.
Me will
Anyway.
help you buy baby clothes.
But me tell him say me will help him too. So if me will help him and you are can't help, I will heap of help that. What
I
kind
will
of run him a
help.
run from
I
Grand
make a
Picnic?
little girl go back go do some evening class
What that me and say?
girl, it
Him
happened
go
already. You
one
can
center. Me not say what she do right, you know. It
it
is
don't
wrong
happen
because she
already.
underage, but it don't happen already.
Alright.
And Steve take this thing put pan him head like I say the whole world tumble down pan him. Me sorry for him, but me not follow him go do it. He say him go do it if me not do it, so make him go and go do it himself. Anyway, blessings. Thank you for your advice and your encouragement. Me not bother do it. Me gone. Me gone. Thank you very
Pray for you.
much.
Me go pray for you now.
Yes, thanks. Me
Pray.
gone, you hear?
Yes,
Me
I'm
not
pray.
follow him. Me not do it.
Don't follow him. Them the same thing that
Lord
dangerous
Jesus.
son.
Look how God come save me.
Sean. Sean.
Oi! Me a come. What?
Come, want talk to you. Want find out what go on. So where's that going on? You deal with this sitting for me?
Me not tell you no lie. Me can't do it. Me can't do it. Me not have the heart to do it. Me can't do it. Me did tell you say me I go do it, but me change my mind. Me I'll see one of your friend them and did I talk to them about it. And them say they don't think that is a good idea because it can lead up to worse a problem. Me can carry her if you go do it and she end up. You know what I mean? Me deal
Sean.
hard.
Sean.
Yeah.
Sean.
And
Listen.
now we go in a problem.
Sean, listen man, but ask you for the one little simple thing. You know what kind of disgrace this will really bring down for me in our community? Me done show you everything already and me tell you everything. Are you really I'll come back to me now and tell me say you can't carry go dash your belly?
Steve, listen to me. You're my brother. And you say this when me really did agree with you upon, you know right. I want wicked sitting that a life we are gonna take.
What you mean life? You
Oh,
pick
you
no
mean?
band, you pick no reach no way. I just a farm up. So now nothing happen yet you can't do and no life that yet.
You know, say even though me did agree with you for do it, me conscience did a kill me. I know me not sleep from that the day there until now. Every night me think about it. Oh, me agree with you as my brother. If you go do such a thing like that, a wicked something we are do, man. It better we make she carry and we
Sean,
take care of it.
Sean, me not want them the responsibility. I'm too young to be one grandfather right now. So here what you are gonna do. Me I go left for what happened? Where she there? Where she there?
She in her house. She must in her bathroom and brush her teeth and something.
So here what I do. Make she stay a couple of days until me figure out who me can get figure that straight belly. Cause me not in a foolishness. Me in a foolishness. This have to be done.
Steve, just take it out of your head, say she fit dash for your belly. Because we don't think I want good idea that day. We can get in a problem,
So
you know.
what you want me to do?
Serious trouble, you know, police can involve, you know. We
So
can go to jail, you know.
so
When we
Sean.
find out say we do it and something happen to she, you know.
So what you want me to do? What you want me to do?
You better you just make she keep you and
No,
and them. You
this
don't
this
want
a
me, you
big
know, grandfather because you're young. It
listen
don't happen already. Where you go do?
a big disgrace this you know.
Disgrace, well,
You know
am
about
I
that
nice?
you know about that somebody I go have if you chat say she breed and she don't know who breed her.
Me understand saying on he saying on know the father. All we have to do sit down and talk to her and question her who she did have unprotected sex with. You understand what me I say? And that the you as the father and the mother too should have sit down and talk to her. Make
No,
sure
me can't listen, me can't make him mother know, you know. Because first thing, if his mother know this, his mother go say a feel me carelessness because
what me
his
did
mother
that.
they want him to live with
Steve just
live with her.
listen to us, you know. You and the mother should have they tell her for a long time at her age about unprotected sex and disease and then something they out there in our world. Oh no,
Listen
no,
man, me not
something come
need
up
me,
with
not, me
it.
never need to talk to him about them sitting there. At school they must have guidance counselor. I'm sitting at school to chat to him about them sitting there.
And teacher alone, parents need to stand up and protect and guide them picnic too.
Listen,
And when
listen, me,
they there at
Sean.
school,
Listen,
teacher
me.
protect them. When they
Me
there
feel,
home, so I teacher fi come protect
me
them.
feel uncomfortable if you talk to her about sex and them thing. You know? So I don't even.
My father, you can't say that. So and that's why she go astray. Because at the end of the day, there was no motherly and fatherly guidance and protection over her. Nobody no did if tell her
Listen,
nothing about the world. That's why she thinks say right what she do. No, she end up in a this. Me as a auntie now, me you want to take up this a burden and put on for me head, then me can't go sleep. You go come like nothing to you, yeah man.
Sean, a long time me tell her say if she breed, you know, she have to come out, you know. Me tell her
But
before this happen, you know. Me tell her before this happen, you know. And I like to me never want her say if she breed, she have to come out of my place, you know.
you can't just look on your one of that and say if you breathe, you have to go come out of that place. You have to sit down and talk to her more,
Alright.
better and
Alright, you know what, Sean? Me don't talk about this, you know. I'm in a long chat, you know. For me pick me, are your niece, but I feel me pick me. So here what I want.
all every day and the all it is a more dangerous it is for me to take her go
That's why
carry
I
go
never
that
deal with
belly.
it now. So don't worry yourself. Me, I go find somebody.
Yeah, force me figure dash me woman
Alright,
pick me.
Sean, alright. You don't have to do it again. Me, I be
And
keep.
I know my grand pick me. You make me a like Tony idiot. Cause if me and your brother, a little girl and my niece. Right?
So,
So that my grand out of my grand niece, how it go? Me not
Sean,
understand.
listen, man. Listen to me, I say. Listen to me, I say. Me, I go make you stay here for a while, and me, I go get somebody else who can do it. So you don't have to worry. Listen, man, you don't have to
Steve,
worry.
no get nobody. See, they know you. They chat about you. No want nobody to know about it. When you go get somebody know that is somebody the way you think say I'm a friend and him can keep his secret. And that there's somebody there go spread. You better just make you stay with the belly man. He
Listen,
not go suffer. God will provide.
listen, Sean. Don't worry yourself about it. Don't worry yourself about it. Maybe deal with it. Maybe deal with it. Because
Since we dash you want a grand picnic, what kind of heart you have? You
maybe
too
deal with it.
wicked man.
Maybe deal with it.
And then me a idiot come follow you about me when you want to do this. Me not do it. Me change my mind. Me not do it. You know, right, it wrong.
Alright, Chanika. Alright. Don't worry yourself, me say me will deal with it. Me go good on my yard and me go make some call and me go make a link.
Steve,
Later.
me not send
Later.
back crystal down at your yard because see it there now. You hear your chat boy, you go get involved people in this thing. Look here now, involve nobody, no get nobody involved in this sitting here because it's serious. I want life that you know what. Alright, little more.
Right up on fire.
I'm there trying for this boy and can't catch him, you know.
Yeah man, some of you know say like a reason more reason about that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah man, so you want to know. You want to know say my little daughter get pregnant, brother.
Congratulations, man. You know grandfather now.
No, I don't nothing to be happy about, brother. She 15, I go 16.
Listen, back in the days of Jesus, I was 12-year-old people breed. Me not say at the right start, but any start is a start. You better one start than no start.
Yeah, but I'm modern time now, man, so then think they can't, right, and here I go, me do even too want even too much people know, right, I know, I just me, you, and my sister know, me don't want too much somebody know,
But
so
me
we
say
keep
for
it
your
down.
sister know, the world know. And for me know, go celebrate and drink
No,
some
man,
beer,
so
man.
here I go, I don't tell me, can't tell you, for we celebrate or not, I tell me,
Oh,
can't,
but you think a celebration time
no,
now?
I tell me, can't tell you, because here I go,
Mm-hmm.
I carry it to my sister, dash away, but right, I know,
A fire movements that man. Me think you can tell I say, yes, you're going to twin or something, a pin or jump out. Listen, no, man. One question you have to ask yourself, man. If John never want to happen, it would have never happened. When you go there and go not dead, him couldn't go in there. But for him up and him go in there and pick me come in there, a Jah do it. And you see, tell you what, you see mankind come with them own judgment and them own things. But Jah, what Jah said, no man break asunder. So you see, if your daughter get a youth, you know much woman out there want a youth right now. If she not want the youth, make she give it to somebody. But since it did there, make it and did there.
here I go, me gotta tell you, because probably you not to understand. First thing, little girl don't know who breed him.
Yeah.
So right, I know, I talk to my sister about it, if carry her, go dash her belly, and she look like she not depend that. So here when me want to know why I can't link you.
Yeah.
If you don't know nobody, when me could carry her to dash her belly.
No, I don't know that somebody there. Because that somebody will be a murderer and that kill the future.
No.
Because you want to know, did you know that some of the big artists them, not only some of them, but few of them, I heard the story. So their mother dash with them And now them turn superstar. So if you're that, so what you
No,
know?
remember say it just a farm no, I don't know baby yet, you know. So that means that if it dash way, I don't really want picnic in
No.
dash way.
So it's good for it to farm. Because me I say farming is good and anything where farm go grow. And for the grow, you go know. And you go show the blessing of Jah.
Alright.
Listen now. You go come on idea. 19 years from now, 20 years from now. You can link me and talk about that same thing there. What kind of great achievement in achieve out of life? Me I tell you, though some of them turn good for nothing still and lazy and turn old fat still, but we never go tell until then come. So by you can look on the foot because they tell too much story in the back in the past. So we can't go some modern days. We have to go off right
Alright.
and wrong.
You are going,
You know, no, your daughter.
Yeah, my daughter breed.
So the pitney will come out as your grand pitney. So if you are kill the pitney, you are kill your grand pitney. Listen now, look on the logic side. Look on it, just think of it. Not think of it a farm you know. Think of it being big. And it attack you and say, yo, grandfather, don't kill me.
Is it true nobody now go help me mining?
No, listen now.
I'm alone struggling
I
with the
can
daughter,
be the godfather because I'm the father to the fatherless.
Alright, so
yes.
you have links, Smadiel,
And
because
if
you can't help me, I better me find Smadiel.
Tell her one night thing. Tell her one night. Come here, make a deal then. If the baby come, I don't know, want the baby, or no give the baby to me. Because me I look on certain things, me try get 20 youth already.
Alright, if I not me can link you back.
Yeah man, so if you know, you're dangerous too, you know. You might try kill the one in the belly and kill the daughter too, you know. You might have buried two of them when you try kill one. Listen to me, check if I. Should we bleed out? You know she have a bleeding disorder? There are certain things about human being where we are, me and you don't know. You see certain things in the ramp pretty. It's like it come natural, make it push natural. But now try, yeah, I have a virgin. Every time girls got him. We would have sent a team, but you would have cry for your daughter. Can go officer in her belly, turn up enough. You try, you understand?
No, another way them want in that shape belly.
That
want the procedure, doctor procedure, you know, in take 2 pillar.
Rusty nail and knock out.
The part of one.
Doctor, knock out too. Can they have some pill where it goes on one side, if you make a mistake and go gym and turn on the next side, he's dead.
Alright, here what? If anything, me will link you and make you know what.
Yeah,
I'm going to try to figure out something.
Here. I take my foolish advice. Put this in your pipe and smoke it. Right? What Jah sent on earth, yeah, is not perfect. And your daughter never perfect. Because she ain't perfect, she will not get what she get and have what she have now for you. Can't worry yourself. No worry yourself. Worry not, fret not. You know what you have to do? Go pray. Go at church, go pray. Say whatever come out of this child here, make it be a blessing from Jah and make sure it work out. Because you know, some of them pitney will give you a look for your daughter if it can help you. I go that the grand pitney come.
Or he might come to a curse to me.
And it can come to a blessing. Yeah. So me I don't know.
Me no want to find.
I
do not want to find
you
out.
Know, but me say, you're good at. You see, true, are you responsible daughter? If she dead, you go to jail. You alone are go down there because then go say you are the doctor go down there too if she dead.
Alright, me make you know what.
So I will send you know, send her go you know, make she feel the pain and push out the baby. The less when go learn to push out the backside pin then you go ball for you. You go say, Daddy, Mommy.
Alright, thank you for your advice.
No, yeah.
And
you look a girl too bad. Punish him. Better yet, punish him. Punish the daughter now. All the way can punish her, make she feel the pain. So every time you ball out to your backside, you, me never tell you the truth, what you do. If you never go drink the soup, the dopey soup, that will happen to you. That's a punishment.
You see true, you not go through with me, I go through, you understand how
you
really
want punish her? You want punish her? Make sure have a picnic. Me say, if you want punish her, make sure have a picnic, because your parents should go feel.
Alright, me will link you.
Think about that. No, think about that. Instead of liquor, so make you feel the pain. Alright, before you're gonna go ask one woman, what kind of pain then go through for your picnic? And if it's nice, or if it's sweet, or if they feel enough pain, and listen what them say, then you see if the judgment, I will go up team first when you have a picnic, if it match up. Check a woman. Check a woman to go through the pain. I don't know about me hear the woman them talk, but check a woman and ask a woman when you think or when you go on, when you push out the picnic and when you feel. Then you can judge your judgment from that. If it's easy and go to slopes, you know she don't feel no pain. But me I tell you,
alright, me make you
when
know
my woman them have picnic them ball for heavy body, me sorry for them too.
Alright, me make you know what I want.
Yeah, man.
Me take it, me listen to you what you say and think
if
about
I want boy picnic, Call him fire. Oh, me save him. Let's go.
Where look a girl?
She inside the house.
Alright, so here I go on. I come here, I come find somebody who willing to deal with the belly for me, you know.
Steve, I don't think I should have do it.
Sean, me done go through this already and me tell her say me make up my mind and this me I deal with, you know. And me done tell her that already and me don't want to have to repeat myself like me not no sense.
I don't think you're right.
You done say all of this already and me not going to change my mind, you know.
No, as long as you come to me, me go constantly saying it. It is wrong. God
Yeah, but me no
this.
come to you to ask you your permission. Me come to you to come here and to go deal with it.
God no love that one, yeah. No man. Nobody do it. Not do it. Nobody do it. Nobody take her and care go do it. Please, me I beg you. Not do it. Steve, don't do it.
Sean, me not listen to you because I'm me I go have responsibility to take care of you because she not work. I me have to go feed one more mouth.
My niece. Nobody do it. Me will help and support Crystal and the baby. Nobody do it.
Crystal.
Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
Go on back in. Yeah, go on back in.
Where really the pan? Where really the pan? Where really the pan? Me can't tell her to go on back in.
Me tell us me will help support the child. This way you make Jesus Christ, Steve, me no know where to tell us again about it. Steve, are your grandchild?
Listen, it not reach to grandchild stage yet. It not even belly, not even
As
develop yet.
long as your daughter pregnant with somebody, are your grandchild. Whether I make out to something already or
Listen,
not
me
make
I
out.
call her back out because me need to go.
Nobody call her. Me
Me
have
need
something
to
to talk to you about. Listen to me now. Me and her sit down and have a proper conversation the other day after you're gone. And she tell me who get her pregnant.
Where really I say? Where really I say?
Me no know if I lie she dey tell, and me no know if I true. But there's somebody by the name of Zane. Me no know who name Zane or who name
Hold
Zane.
on. Zena, I'm a stepson. Mine a lie she a try tell pan the little boy, you know. Mine a lie she a tell. She a try to look for somebody to blame for her little careless mistake. Mine a lie she a tell.
Is the first time she do it in her whole life with somebody. And she end up get pregnant. And the only person name she call is this somebody we named Zane, where she say a few stepson.
So I mean I try to protect Zane. So here what I want. You see, because more eliminate this full disgrace because she a breed and she underage. And two, she go breed for my stepson. So here what know, which is her stepbrother. You know that what is. So here what I want. Me no want to listen to no more your gibberish and all we are chat say. Me go call her out now, and me go carry her go dash her belly.
So you prefer to carry your own daughter go dash her one belly. Me know say wrong because of your stepson.
Look, girl, come here right now. Come right now, cause me need to.
Crystal,
Long
come out here. Go finish wash your plate. Then when me tell you to do. Steve, just listen to me. Why you not go to your stepson and ask him why do it because he's bigger than Crystal? Crystal is underage, 15-year-old. Me no know who is this Zane. If I want big old grey beard man, or I want little young youth, or I
my
want
same age group. My same age group.
same age group.
Yes. I mean,
Same
me
age
know
group.
say must she force herself on a little boy, you know. I have to she do it.
Why you take up for your stepson
Because
and you put on your daughter?
because she ever go on, I'll go on my daughter. She ever go on like she want a little woman. I mean know that little boy good. That little boy is an innocent little boy.
Innocent.
Yeah, me never got talk it. Crystal, come, me need to cut right now. Come here, Crystal. Me ready move. Me ready to move right now.
We have to go call the police enough, Steve. Because Crystal now come out here today. You have to go call the police. So I there's no police and everybody I go hear about it because me no know why you want to do such a wickedness. And then want me if involved in it. And true, me not do it now, you take up and put on your head. Me no know who you go to and then show you come. Me know you don't know about them sitting there, you know. You don't know nowhere where the industry go.
You know what?
And some friend you have
Me long talking with you. Me don't talk to you though. Me don't talk to you. I me nah be back and forth.
Your friend them tell you figure.
Crystal, come right now. Me ready for go. Come. Me your father, come right now. Me not long chatting with you. I mean a long talking with you.
Steve, you're not afraid God strike you. A wickedness.
God see and God understand everything what I go on. Crystal, come right now. Me ready for move. What you do? Me don't want to come in the house for you, you know.
You can't say she don't want to come. She afraid because
She needs to come. She should not afraid to have sex.
yes, but you they go care go do such a thing like that. Whosoever you they care go that this somebody they don't have to know and don't have to know professional somebody and they go kill her.
Crystal,
She
come no man, me not foolishness, you know.
How you go feel if she end up dead in the operation?
What kind of dead?
Jesus Christ. Nobody with
You know what? Me are going in the house here. Come in the foolishness. Come on, me are in foolishness. Come on.
You see anything happen to me niece? Steve, you're not listening. You're not here.
Babes,
Yeah.
me get to understand, say, are your boy breed me daughter, you know.
Zane, breed your daughter.
It look like me speak one different language.
You said to me, babes. You know, so
Yeah, listen me.
how,
You know,
when, where, how, we didn't get time to do that.
it look a time where you see me not two there and my daughter not there. I don't have my sister. Me carry her go for me never tell you, but me carry her go to my sister for she dash away belly. But my sister tell me say she not up to that. So right now she confide in my sister and tell him say Zian breed him. So right now me furious right now. Where Zian there?
Me just did all call him because right now me real pissed. Zane!
Yes, mommy.
Come here now!
Mommy.
What Steve just tell me say a while ago. How me for hear say you get Crystal pregnant? Me want them here hear good or what? I'ma calm down. Talk to me, Wagwan.
Mommy, I did just a one time, mommy. I just one time.
One time? It only takes one time. That's all you need, one time. You have your whole future ahead of you. You have a bright future ahead of you. Where you going to know? Because you have to take responsibility, you know. You have to take responsibility or something or whatever the case may be. You have to go figure it out because this not going to work. Being a father is a whole lifetime responsibility. You're responsible for that person and then become an adult. Because of years, you're not ready for that age. You have to focus on your future.
Yo,
So if you
right now
think
I
about
tell you,
this-
say, if me never rate you, you know, and never hear you, me mash him up, you know.
No, Bill, that can't go. We have to can come to some.
Yo, go on to me talk to your mother, you know, right now, right?
If I do something enough to do you, me tired of your behavior, you know, you're not give your father in trouble, you know. This don't look good, nor sound good, nor smell good, nor feel good. You can't imagine. Then come like brother and sister, you know, me see them move close whole line, but me never know say that I go on. I'm there for sneaky, you know.
God no, man.
I can't believe say little girl pregnant.
It's like a one problem from one thing to the next. She breed, no one step brother. I mean, I ask the little girl from when and who. And them hide it from me.
Yeah, and I said no, nothing like that. You see what I'm sneaking and terrible? Parents can do them part, you know, but them picking sometimes they're terrible and hard to deal with, you know.
To see if we can dash her belly. Because see when me find out me do everybody, it's me alone come here. Me let me tell him to just go and build on her mother until me come back.
I can't believe this. I never see this come, none at all.
walk on my boss, evening. Yeah, man, are you name Obal, right?
Yeah, man.
Me here say, I hear a man where if anybody want like a procedure done, then come link, you see me?
What kind of procedure? No procedure, me need.
My daughter this and one little thing happen. She get pregnant and boy a couple people well me link. If you try to see if we can get rid of her belly cause you can't bother the shame and disgrace bossy. And the worst part about it, and my stepson she get pregnant from. Me just want her life to go back to normal.
Yeah, hear about you walk one. This risky, you know. Very, very risky. Because she can't even lose her life.
Well, if you tell her the truth, the boss, me not even think about the risk, you know. Me just want her life to go back to normal. Cause right now I mash this or mash up her future.
It's up to you, you know, if you want to run your risk, you know. You see me? But nobody never lose their life under my watch it, you know. So it's up to you. You see me? And you walk one. They never tell you a price.
No, sir, they never tell me how much, boss.
You know, say a 50, but I can do it for you for 40.
Alright, just do what you have to do. Please, just do what you have to do.
Alright. I remember, you know, I tell you, say, you know, it's risky, you know. Even though nobody never lose their life, you know, under my watch, you know, but it's risky.
Me not worry about that, sir, boss. Tell the truth. Me not even think about that. Me just want it to be done.
Alright.
Alright.
Anything what you say, so I'm going to mix up. I mix up the thing, yeah. You get what I say? So you can hold a seat, you know.
Alright, my boss. Alright, cool.
Alright. Yeah, man. Hello, Miss Watson. Miss Watson.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, come in. Hi.
Yes, good afternoon. Are
Good
you one Miss
afternoon.
Shanika Watson?
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
I am fine.
My name is Inspector Davis. And do you have any idea as to why I'm here?
No? What? What is the problem?
Are you aware that we have one Steve Watson in custody?
No?
Well,
What's the problem?
we have Mr. Steve Watson in custody, and he's under some very serious charges.
I want to know.
He apparently, or it is alleged that he brought his daughter to abort a baby, and she has Miss Small Young Teenage Watson has succumbed to her injuries and is now dead, along
Jesus
with
Christ.
that unborn child.
Crystal, my niece,
Yes, ma'am.
passed away because I'm Father Jesus, God. Sir, me want my brother. Me want him night, me want him day. Me tell him say fi not do it because it's dangerous. And he go do it still.
Unfortunately, you did not take heed or listen to your warning, because now I'd like to let you know that this is a serious criminal offense. And so he's facing up to 20 years in prison for negligence and manslaughter. It does not look good. However, if you would like to post bail for your brother, I would advise you come down to the station, bring some particulars, and see what you can do. But at this point in time, it does not look good. He's going to go away for a long time if found guilty. And based on the charges against him and the evidence that is against him right now, him look guilty. So,
Sir, me want my brother. Me want him fi not do it. And him still go do it. Me can't believe. God Almighty. What kind of heart he have? What kind of heart you have? What kind of heart you have? Steve, what kind of heart you have? He's a wicked brother. Can't believe your one daughter where you have. You make him dead. Fake a foolishness. And me tell you say, mother help you. support the child. Me I come bail you. But you see, the heart when me have, I hate me I come bail you. But me sorry say me niece dead, but if I never one thing I make you do more than the 20 year in a prison, it's a wicked, evil, devious, cruel man. You shouldn't get no picnic from no woman. Sir, me I go come bail him.
It's about to let you know that
Me I go come bail him.
sorry for your loss again, you know. However, it's just how this thing a go. Unfortunately, these are certain things that we need to take serious. We need to actually talk to our kids, talk to the young ones, and we need to talk to them about these aborting kids. It is not safe. It is
What
not
a
a safe thing.
wicked man.
Prevention is better than a cure. We need to be more proactive than to be reactive. Because if he had
You know,
been
say
teaching the lady to be preventing
he
and
shouldn't
proper
get no bail.
precaution,
You no shouldn't give him no bail. Although my brother, he shouldn't get no bail. He too wicked. He should have got prison, go pay the penalty. He should get punishment for it.
him getting bail does not mean that he will not be facing time. He will be facing time if proven guilty or if convicted of such an act. But that doesn't say that he's going to come out. He's just coming out now until we've put all the facts and evidence against him. But as I said before, these things
You
are
know,
not
say me don't go
going
bail
to.
him, sir. Me don't go bail him and make sure say him go to court. Me now follow him go to court and any of the judge sentence him. Me now go look for him. Not even one visit he can get from me because me did warn him and he don't listen to me. Me can't believe saying do this to him own daughter. Man like them they figure they with dog and drunk crow. They no fit do with no woman. He is a wicked man. Me sorry say my brother. God no. Oh. Oh.
Very sorry that that is how you feel. However, just do the right thing. We'll talk by the station.
Dr. Jack bedroom tonic. So as we always say, if there are persons out there that want to improve them sexual experience, link up Dr. Jack. So the number up on his shirt. You know me I say he has some male enhancement pills. At the end of the day, people might feel afraid and say, oh, me no need that, me no need that. It's not no Viagra. You know me I say it's not a Viagra. It's a healthy product in terms of natural herbs and bushes them him use say make the capsule them, and they are for enhancement. You don't know, you can't expect say if you are 50 or 60 or 40, you're going to be the same as a 19-year-old and 20-year-old. You know what I say? So it just help to boost your sexual drive. And not only that, on a day-to-day basis, if you're a man who work hard, you know, say, you're going to need something for just give that extra strength because you work hard. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about sex, I'm talking about from a healthy perspective, you want something to make you feel healthy and strong. So the pill also helps to boost that. And it also has a bottle for the ladies that we need to get them body detox. If you can't get pregnant, that can also help you. So link him up. Same Instagram handle there. So you can check him out on Instagram. It's Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. Check him out on Instagram, and here is his telephone number. Link him up, and yeah, can make some arrangement how you get him product. All right.